Hey everyone, it's Ben Hardy here, and in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a 2025 Toyota Corolla Hatchback. Before we get in this video, I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to the Large Miller Toyota here in Murray, Utah for giving me some time with this Corolla. I'll include a link to the website in the description down below so you can check out what they have currently. If you have any questions and need any help, just ask for Josh. Also include a link to my car buying guide. Let's get into it. Under the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder that goes through a CVT. Fuel economy is 30 around town and then 38 on the highway, with power outputs being 169 horsepower and then 151 pound-feet of torque. Before we move forward with this review, I do want to mention if you want to see more videos just like this, then I recommend you subscribe because I post content every single day. So first off, I really like this orange color. It absolutely pops. And then the Corolla has really cool headlights. You can see the turn signal indicators too. Notice how the grill's all blacked out with this as well. And altogether, it's a good looking car. Now around the side here, our tire wheel setup is 225 by 40 by 18 in the front and over in the rear. And you can see here with the wheels, you've got the metallic gray there. I like how the fender pops out a little bit. And yeah, this paint really pops out. You can see the mirror cap there and then the fender. Look at that. That's fun. Now this does come with the normal Toyota key fobs. We've got the lock and unlock function, Toyota logo there. Pretty normal setup. Ooh, so we've got the cargo cover built in from the factory. You can see Corolla down below. And then if we lift this whole setup up, there we go. Spare tire underneath. So that's all nice. And yeah, I mean, it's not massive. It's a small car, but it's solid with the hatchback design. And then when you're all done, just plop that down. You can see the taillights there, and then the rest of the badging here in the back. And overall, good looking car in bright orange. Now take a look at the door panel in the back. You guys can see here the soft touch. And then look at these seats. I think this is really cool with all the trim. Quickly pop in. Ugh, gotta squeeze a little bit. Legroom back here is pretty good. Got a little storage pocket. You can see the USB ports there as well. And then headroom back here is pretty good. I mean, it's a small car, so it's not massive. Now take a look at the front door panel. You can see the soft touch trim throughout. We've got all of our window controls there. Mirror adjustment. The mirrors do have blind spot monitoring. And then here are the front seats. Got that like gray cloth. I'm having so many brain farts today. Got the power adjustments there on the side. And then just the normal 2-pedal layout. And then you guys can see here with the little adjustments. And then it's not soft touch here, but it is soft touch at the top. Now take a look at the steering wheel. We've got soft touch all around. Paddle shifters here on the back. We've got stuff like our adaptive cruise control with our lane centering, volume and voice command controls as well. You got your regular stocks here on the back too. Digital gauge cluster here, which we can use to scroll through and see different bits of info on systems within the car. In reverse, we just have a regular backup camera there, pretty decent resolution. And then as for the rest of the infotainment system, it's relatively quick to respond. As you can see, got a little volume control there as well. Dual zone climate controls down below, and then you can see here the stitching that goes across, and that's cool. That kind of all connects together. And we've got heated seats down below with our wireless phone charging pad. And we have our drive mode select here, stability control. Shifter for that CVT. And then you've got your auto hold here with your parking brake, some cup holders. Center console has more charging with 12 volt and USB. Like this, that's pretty nice. And then pretty normal glove box, so not much to talk about there. No center for anything. Here's a quick look at the window sticker. You can see 2025 Corolla Hatchback. Got all of the equipment with this particular one. $28,912 is the total MSRP on this particular one. And let's see how it drives. Let's talk about visibility before we set off. Here's visibility of the hood. Both mirrors, dual blind spot monitoring. And through the rest of the rear. And let's set off. So this is going to be a little bit of a shorter drive. Strapped for time today, sadly. Usually I have enough time for everything, but today kind of blew up. We'll just leave it at that. It blew up a bit. So anywho, I've driven the Corolla quite a bit, and 2025 is just a new model year. It's not really a big change for the Corolla. We'll see. This color though, this color is pretty cool. I like it. It's so bright. It's like such a bright orange that the camera filter just kind of dies. And what I mean by that is it just looks kind of like more of a red hue on camera than in person, because it's so bright orange. The camera just goes, it's too much, and then it basically blows up the red filter to be able to handle the brightness. I mean, that's not bad. It's not bad. 169 horsepower, 151 pound-feet of torque. It's the price you pay, so you can get over 30 miles per gallon. Non-hybrid. They do make a hybrid Corolla, which is really cool. Make an all-wheel drive hybrid Corolla at that. But yeah, for a non-hybrid car, I mean, that's solid. And you know, you get this version of the Corolla because you want a little bit more oomph. You want a little bit more pep in your step. But yeah, the new Corolla, it drives well and it looks cool. And ultimately what this is it's affordable transportation, but it's got a little bit of a fun factor. Again, I wouldn't call it like a, unless it was the GR obviously, but you know, with the regular one I wouldn't call it like a sports car or anything by any means. But ooh, that's cool. Voodoo Blue 4Runner TRD Pro. Those are rare. I'm sure that's going for all the money. But anyways, yeah, I don't know. It's good. It's good. This is the weirdest test drive I've ever done in my life, but you know, so that happens when you're strapped for time. So let me know you guys think about the Corolla hatchback. There's a lot of competition now. You got Honda Civic hatchback, you got Mazda 3 hatchback, Hyundai Elantra. They don't make that in hatchback, but I guess some people might compare that. Got the new Kia K4 coming out soon. So yeah, there's just a lot. There's a lot in segment. So it'll be interesting to see kind of how it all shakes out. But either way, let me know what you guys think about the Corolla hatchback. Let me know what you think about this bright orange color. But I think this is a great, affordable, good fuel economy, just a good car in general. It's reasonably priced, and you know, nice features too. I mean, think about this. You're, you know, brand new car, full warranty. You got the features that this has, and it won't break the bank. I mean, some people might say that the price tag's expensive, but I think that's pretty reasonable for a new car. And these Corollas are reliable. You know, Toyota has proven that, you know, with naturally aspirated 4 cylinders, whether it's a hybrid or non-hybrid, they know how to build them right. They know how to build them reliable. So that's all.